Hey everyone, I am Shay McCall and I will be taking over Makartt's Instagram using their Polygel products. So first you want to start off applying a base coat to all your nails. Using their Nude Polygel, a Siesta, I'm going to start forming the deep French for my middle finger. So I'm going in with the slip solution to clean up my cuticle area and form a better almond shape look for my French tip. Next, I'm going to show you how I achieve this marble look using 2 shades of brown, and you can find these on Amazon in a bundle. Using the tip of my French brush, I will swirl around the polygel to make the marble effect. Next, I'm going to shape my French to perfect the smile line. And I'm going to marble the French on this middle finger as well. Next, I'm going to cap it with clear so I won't mess up the marble on the French. My next 2 nails will be ombre. I'm going to use the light brown on my pinky and the dark brown on my thumb. When using polygel, make sure your brush is well saturated with the slip solution. That way you won't have a sticky brush. Next, I'm going to add the Nude Siesta to my last 2 nails to create the ombre. Next, I'm going to clean up my cuticle area and file, shape, and buff my nail to create a smooth application for my top coat. Next, I'm going to use Makartt's No Wipe top coat, and we're going to finish off these nails. Look at the shine, look at the gloss, just beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you, Makartt, for allowing me to take over your Instagram story. That's that said, guys. You can follow me on Instagram at I am Shay McCall and on Facebook and YouTube at Shay McCall. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.